Wow, you guys broke the museum. Good job. Good afternoon there, online friends and fam. Today we're going to the local science museum. We haven't been there with the kids before, so we're gonna see how they like it. See you there.
Let's get ready. Girls, ooh, what is this? Ew.
It's a bunch of applesauce.
Well, thank you. Is it for me?
Me.
Oh, for you?
All right, we're on our way to the Clay Center. It's our local science center, science museum, science exhibit. I don't really know what exactly it's called, but we don't know what's gonna be there. We haven't really taken the kids there before. And next week we plan on going to COSI, which is the Columbus Science Center. Now we have been there and Evie really enjoyed it, but Rory's never been, so we plan on going there next weekend. So we're gonna get a little bit of comparison with the local one versus, you know, a little bit further away, and we'll see how it is.
It's kind of rainy.
It is kind of rainy. All right, it just started raining as soon as we got here, but yeah, that's great, I guess. That's a good sign, right? That's lucky.
That's only for weddings.
That's only for weddings?
That's only for weddings.
That's only for weddings, Jen says. Okay, well maybe it's not so lucky. Jen's trying out that new stroller that you guys saw. What's this called? What's the stroller called?
It's a Cybex Lavelle.
Cybex Lavelle stroller. So we're giving it a little test run here in the rain. Seems like it's working pretty well. Get some of these golf balls. Can you reach up here? Can you put one here?
Watch your sister. Look. Ready, go! Woo! That's so fast. You want to try again? Okay, grab a ball. Oh. Blue or purple?
Purple.
Purple.
Right there.
Whoa. I can't get it.
You want to put 2 or 3 in at the same time? Okay, put another one in. Hey, put another one in. Look what it's doing. It's, see that light in there? It's showing you where the balls went. Wow, you guys broke the museum. Good job.
It's too many balls, guys.
Hey, you want to see how fast your heart's beating? Go ahead and put your hands right here in the metal part, okay? On both sides. There you go. That's what your heart's doing right now. Isn't that cool? You don't make a puzzle, you need to put the puzzle together. Big drum set in here. Evie, this is just like the big bucket at the water park. It's gonna fill up, it's gonna tip over.
Yeah, you wanna help me? No?
Whoa! What is this, a fire truck? What are you doing up there? Look, there's buttons in here. Whoa!
Aim higher, Evie. Aim higher.
Oh, it's a doctor's office. Are you gonna give him a shot? Oh, check the temperature. What's it say? What's the diagnosis? Orange? That's pretty good then. That is a MRI, a pediatric MRI. There you go. Look at that. It's inside their leg. It's scanning their leg. Yeah. Okay, put the baby back over there. Yeah, make sure he's got a blanket. All right, let's go. Pick out some groceries. Yeah? They like spaghetti. Why don't we get some spaghetti? We're going to the beach? All right. Got a long way to take this river all the way to the beach, but all right. What, that one? Okay. Well, come on, we gotta go make it ourselves. I don't think anybody's working here. Oh, don't eat it. Oh, don't actually eat it.
Here, here's some pasta.
Pasta.
A sandwich.
Evie. Keep going. Yeah, she's already gone. She's already at the top or something. She's already way up there. Let's just stay down here on the ground. Okay.
Papa. There's no way. Papa.
Oh, for Baba? Oh, shit. It's a hat. Great. Hey, look, guys, it's a real fire truck. Remember when we left the Clay Center? They were playing on fire trucks all day, and then come outside and there's fire trucks. That's pretty cool. Camera. Very good. Camera. Yep.